raining.
What?
I'll figure it out.
Yeah, alright. Sounds like a good idea.
Kevo. Kevo.
What time is it?
It's like 12 o'clock. Do you want to make a fort?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Do you have any nines?
Yeah, I do.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you have any queens?
Do you have any more nines?
No more nines. Go fish.
Okay. Go for it.
Okay. Okay, ready? Cheers to an indoor picnic.
Cheers. That's delicious.
Play the one song you know that I love.
This one.
That was beautiful. Okay, so do you want to watch The Notebook or Bridget Jones's Diary? You pick.
Oh, what great options I get to choose from.
Jumptown, now cut that from, man, don't be no square. Jumptown, white and brown, watch them limbs a flinging.